Interfaith Council has announced a number of changes in the regulations governing the reopening of places of worship, burials and weddings as a measure of curbing COVID-19 in the country as the numbers continue to increase. Zainab Mohammed begins our broadcast tonight.
Following a surge of COVID-19 numbers in the recent past, the Interfaith Council has announced a number of changes in the regulations governing the reopening of places of worship, burial rites and weddings. In the regulations governing the reopening of places of worship, the time limit for worship sessions has been reduced from 2 hours to less than 90 minutes, with all other gatherings apart from worship sessions being banned.
Hand washing or sanitizing stations in the compound this to be adhered to. Sitting will be 1.5 meters social distancing, and where possible, temperature checks will be in place.
In the regulations governing burials, the number of attendees has been reduced to half, from 200 people to 100 people, as the time limit for the burial services was reduced from 2 hours to less than an hour. And in the regulations governing weddings, the number of attendees has been significantly reduced from 100 people to a maximum of 50 people.
The area of weddings, this is what the council has resolved, that all the current requirements from the guidelines, that is hand washing, sanitization in the compound, sitting of 1.5 meters social distancing, and of course, where possible, the temperature checks will be enforced.
Zainab Mohammed, TV47.